peaches that are really body because they came in juice. And we got some strawberries, some grapes that are my favorite fruits. And we got some nuts. Got 3 different kinds of lemons. And you guys can use any fruits that you guys like, but we're using these fruits. Then we got some custard milk that we're gonna add our fruits in, our nuts in, our ice cream on top, and sprinkle some sprinkles on. Guys, I'm gonna quickly tell you guys the recipe for custard. So you make boiling milk. You boil the milk. Then you add the sugar. Then you add custard powder. And then you mix it nicely up. And after you're done mixing, you let it cool. And that's how the custard milk is done. So let's get started. So we're gonna pour our custard milk in. Just like that. And now we're gonna add some apples first. Mix it all up together with the spatula. I know spatulas are also for like spreading icing, but they're also for mixing, guys. So using vanilla ice cream, if you guys don't have vanilla ice cream, you guys can use any other ice cream you guys want. Chocolate chip, strawberry, chocolate. You guys can use any other ice cream you guys have. So we're gonna mix it all up. I think that's good mixing up. It looks pretty good. And it smells pretty good too. Next we're gonna put them in our bowls. Guys, now our custard fruit salad is ready to serve. So I'm gonna scoop some up and put it in there. Okay, now we're gonna add our ice cream. There we go, our big scoop of ice cream. Like that. Now we're ready to try. Sprinkles taste pretty good. Oh, I got a little sprinkle on there. Really cold. And really cold. It's delicious. If you guys like this recipe, then try it at home. And you guys can use any fruits that you guys like. And if you guys like this video, then subscribe to my channel. Like, thumbs up, and smash the notification bell, of course. See you guys later.